Hello guys, welcome to the Learning Hub. Today we will be learning how to create a social media logo third in After Effects using 2D layers. So let's get started. First of all, we have to create a new composition. You can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it as render, and you can make it as of your choice, but I'm gonna make it 1920 by 817 pixels and hit on OK. Then create a new shape layer, add a rectangle and add a fill. I'm going to make it complete red for now. So now rename it border, and I'm going to duplicate it. Control plus D, or you can go to edit and click on duplicate. I'm going to rename it inner, or you can logo background. I'm gonna make it complete white. We coming here in scale, make it 90. So now you can also see the border red color. Okay, I'm gonna make it 85 for now. Okay, now it seems good. And now what you're gonna do is import a logo. I already have a logo, so I'm gonna import YouTube's logo, place it on the logo BG. Scale it down to approx 10. Yeah, it seems good to me. I'm gonna make it 9 maybe. Yes. Okay, so now what you have to do is animate them. Select both boxes and click on S. Turn on the key, come forward and copy. Again go back, and I'm gonna make him 0. So what's happening now? For now I'm just gonna hide this logo. Now what's happening is this. Okay, so now I just want them to rotate also. So what I'm going to do is select both of them, press R and do the same thing. $90. And now as if you can see, these are both rotating. Okay, select both the layer and hit U. Select all the keyframes, right click, keyframe assistant and easy ease. Turn on the motion blur both in here and here also. Okay, after that what you have to do is go to select all the keyframes of a single layer and go to graph editor. There we will be adjusting its speed, so make sure that they both are of same, the rotation and the scaling. So I'm just gonna make them 2. Okay, this seems pretty good to me. Coming back in here, select another keyframes, do the same. So what it does is it will start slowly and then go fast and again end up slow. So this is how it will look like. Okay, so here's the basic idea how it will look like. After that, what you have to do is animate the logo. So what you have to do is click on the logo BG and duplicate it. After duplicating, make sure that it resides on the YouTube logo. You can just rename for your confirmation or logo. Select both the layers and pre-compose them. Right click and pre-compose. I'm just gonna name them logo. Move all the attributes to the new composition and hit OK. What it's gonna do is it will create a single layer for both of them. Go inside this. Now you have YouTube logo and the logo BG. So click on the toggle switches and hit select all format. Okay, now we have to animate the logo. So what we're going to do is first of all remove all the animations. Okay, then animate the logo, hit P, start the keyframe, go 2 steps ahead, copy the key, then change from here. So how it is gonna look like is this. Turn on the motion blur. It's already turned on. So what you now have to do is select both the keyframes, right click, keyframe assistance and easy ease, and then go to graph editor and edit its speed. I just want it to start fast and end slow. So how it's gonna look like is this. Okay. Now again go back to the render and here you can see it's coming before the animation completes. So what you have to do is the time it completes we have to start this layer. Okay. Now what it will look like is this. Seems pretty good to me. Let's go ahead. Once we have completed the boxes or rectangles and the logo animation, now it comes to the text part. Okay, for the text animation you require text obviously, so we're going to create text by clicking on this button, this tool, and click here. Okay, then type your channel's name or whatever you want to type. I'm just going to type in here the learning hub and select it and position it wherever you want to position it. So I'm just going to be, sorry for the slow computer, you guys can understand I think. Yeah, okay. Then position the text, and once you're done this, just okay, then what you have to do is duplicate the text, and for most of the lower thirds, what they do is there's a main text and a subtext, so you have to focus on both of them. There should be both of them. One should be a main text like the learning hub, and other should be a subtext. I'm just gonna make it 15, and I will be typing here learn whatever you want. So this is the subtext. I'm just gonna make it a little there. Okay, seems good to me. Then what you have to do is select both the text and decompose them. I'm just gonna name it text and hit OK. So now you have both the text and the logo. Yeah, we already animated the logo, so we don't need to do anything else with that. What you have to do is now is animate the text. For that we have to do duplicate the border, Ctrl+D, and place it above all the layers. Okay, then scale it so that it can cover all the text. Change its color to white. Okay, make sure to position it properly. You can use your arrow buttons so you won't be messing up the composition. And okay, fit to 100%. Then select the text and here and here. So now what you have to do is click on the text, position, and animate the position. Go 2 steps ahead, copy the keyframe, come back, and then change the position. Okay. Then what you have to do is animation is obviously complete, but we can more enhance it by right click, easy ease, and then go to graph editor. Actually it's my favorite part, so I recommend you all to use this because it it shows the velocity, the speed. You can control the speed of your animations, how fast, how slow it should be. Okay, then click on the text and toggle switches and alpha inverted matte. So what it will look like is it's coming out of the border. See, these are the tricks. Okay, now as it's done, so one more thing we can do is we can animate the subtext differently, a little different. So go in the text and from the beginning press P, position it 2 steps ahead, copy, and maybe a little backward. Again go to the render, make sure that it doesn't reveal from the back. So what you have to do is just increase. Then come back and you'll have the nice clicky animation. Here they look both same, so one more thing we can do is increase its time. Again go to render, and now you'll find the difference. I'm going to preview it. So you found the difference. It's actually a little very slow, so sorry for that. And what you have to do is, I'm gonna make it over here something. Yeah, now it'll look good. And go back to that, right click, give him assistance, easy ease, and graph editor, and slower. Go back to the render. So you got the animation. Now what you have to do is position it and reverse it. So for that we will doing the select all the layers and pre-compose them, name it animation. Okay, then what you have to do is position it in the bottom left corner, and then you can see you got the animation. So come over here of course and cut it, then duplicate it. After duplication, right click and you'll find the option time. Okay, and click on the time reverse layer and make it start from here. So what it's gonna do is, we just duplicated a layer and reversed it. So what it might look like is, it is a single animation. So guys, here's the animation. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you like the video. Obviously you like the video, that's why you're here. And thank you for watching once again. Thank you guys.